Okay, this is a gorgeous Prada wallet in the most beautiful purple leather. It's absolutely gorgeous and stunning, and the leather is so supple and soft. It's the sort of thing you want to rub on your cheek all afternoon. It's just beautiful. I'll talk you through in a second. I'll just tell you what it comes with. It comes with the Prada product tag. It comes with the little card, which is inside a little Prada envelope. I love these little dinky envelopes. And it comes with this. Now this is just me being silly really. You know when you buy a wallet and it's got bits of card in the card slots, the credit card slots. Well this one, it says the card, can you see it says Prada credit card? It's literally just a piece of cardboard, but I just think that is the most adorable little thing. Okay, so this is the actual wallet. So I will show you the Prada on the front. Let's show you the back properly. And it's a fold over one and it's a pressed stud fasten. Okay. So we've got Prada in the bottom corner there. The studs say Prada on them. It won't focus, but it does say Prada there. So we've got the main note section at the top, and then there are 4 card sections here. And then on this side, you've got a pocket behind there, and then also this pressed stud pocket there as well. And that's got the gusset so it opens out to put your coins and so on in. It's absolutely just beautiful, delicious little piece of Prada. It's a great little gift for somebody. I would be hard pressed to give it as a gift away. Actually, to be honest, I'd have to give it to myself. I think it's so cute. But a gorgeous little gift. It is in excellent, pristine condition. There is no marks, there's no nothing on it. It is absolutely in beautiful, excellent condition, and it is just gorgeous. So there is a link to this on our website. If you go to the comments below the video, there's a link, hit that, it will take you to the website. We've got all of our other pre-owned luxury, bags, purses, wallets, they're all on there. Whilst on the website, sign up to our newsletter, and then we'll send you a discount code for 10% off your first purchase with us. So it's dead easy. Scroll to the bottom of any page on the website, there's a box, stick your email address in. You would automatically be instantly sent a discount code. If you are not automatically sent that discount code, check your spam folder. It might be that your security wall is so strong that we can't actually get it through. But check your spam folder if you've not got it, and it will be in there, and you'll get 10% off. In the comments below, I have also added a link to our Instagram. If you are on Instagram, please hit that link, follow us on Instagram. And if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, subscribe to the channel now. Hit the bell, subscribe, get your notifications through. We have got Armcandy coming in every day. Beautiful, beautiful things. And if bags and purses and wallets are what you like, subscribe, because you don't want to miss out on your dream Armcandy.